Ready to transform your audio experience? The new Apple AirPods Pro 2 are here, packed with incredible upgrades for every music lover and tech enthusiast. Experience sound like never before with the powerful H2 chip. Enjoy crisp highs, rich bass, and high-fidelity audio that truly immerses you. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking places sound all around you for an unparalleled listening experience. Active noise cancellation is now twice as effective, silencing the world around you. Need to hear? Transparency mode lets sounds in naturally, while adaptive audio intelligently blends both for seamless listening. AirPods Pro 2 aren't just for music, they're pioneering hearing health. They offer the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience, including a scientifically validated hearing test and clinical-grade hearing protection. Conversation awareness automatically lowers volume when you speak, making interactions effortless. These earbuds are built to last, with IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistance. Enjoy up to 6 hours of listening with ANC and a total of 30 hours with the MagSafe charging case. The case now features USB-C charging, precision finding, and a built-in speaker. With customizable tips and intuitive touch controls, your perfect fit and control are always at your fingertips. Ready to upgrade your sound and protect your hearing? Grab your Apple AirPods Pro 2 today. Find them on Amazon and experience audio perfection. Don't miss out on this incredible innovation.